Tech Specs.
Hello friends, welcome to TechSpecs. In today's video, let's see the science behind sponge cake. Sponge cakes are favorite snack for everyone. We wonder how these cakes are so soft and spongy. Let me reveal the secret now. While making sponge cake, we beat egg yolk and egg white separately. The egg white should be beaten till it reaches its peak. The more you beat, the more soft your cake will be. Another important thing is add the beaten egg white at the end and mix it smoothly in a way that it doesn't break the air bubbles incorporated in it. Use oil as a substitute for butter. Oil cakes give better texture and it stay moist and tender for longer than cakes made with butter. Baking powder lets the cake to rise. It acts as a complete leavening agent as it contains both acid and base. Without adding baking powder, your cake may not rise fluffy or it may go flat. Cakes should not be baked with too high temperature or too low temperature for a very long time. It should not be too dry, it should not be too watery. So if you decide to prepare a cake, then keep those points in mind. Enjoy a soft and spongy cake. So that's all friends. Catch you soon with another interesting video. If you find this video is useful, then like, subscribe and share with your friends. Click the bell icon to get instant notification.